Hello, me fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, today I'll try to fix another steam iron. The problem with this one is that when it's switched on, when you press on the button, nothing is happening. So at the moment it's not switched on, but even when it's switched on, nothing is happening. So I will take it apart. I don't have a tripod today, so just take it apart. I'm not gonna film it, and we'll test the connection. I opened the backside of the iron and I measured for continuity these two cables are going to the button. So I grabbed the probe. I can't show you because I can't hold them both, but when I poke the probes right in between the two cables, the multimeter, when you press the button, it's supposed to show, oh, hello, it's supposed to show low ohms, but at the moment when they press the button, it's still showing open line. So keep disassembling the iron and we'll see why there is no good connection. Probably there is a little switch that it's using is being used to close the circuit, but it can't close the circuit. So we will dismantle the whole iron and we'll have a look what's happening inside. I continued with the dismantling. I was thinking to take the whole top off, but there is a screw right here that's holding the front plastic, and I can already see the problem. So this micro switch, that's the little button that is closing the connection. Can you see it's not clicking? It's supposed to click. So just take it apart. I think if I pull it, I'll get to the two cables, and I will have a look for spares. That's the micro switch. I had to take these two plastics so I'm able to pull the wire out, and I can see a crack right here which I don't really like, so I might have to replace it. Although the whole thing is insulated, you never know when. Yeah, it's not good. This one here is also soldered. The switch is just a normal micro switch. That's where the button is. 16 amps, 250 volts. So I'll try to find another one like this one, and I'll swap it. 2011, I was making myself a little project with microwaves, and I saved a few micro switches from the door of the microwave, and it's absolutely the same. There, that's the broken button here. Look, it sits down, and this one, it's absolutely the same. Even the quality is a bit better. I can feel it. There we go. So I will reuse the cables. I can't find any silicone cables, so I took my soldering iron out, and I will resolder on these here. I'll resolder the switch and we'll see if it's working. It should be working. Okay, let's do some soldering. Okay, so I just soldered the button in place. There we go. I measured the connection on the back. It's showing 0 ohms. Put a little bit of insulation tape on top of that crack. Now I'll assemble everything together and see if it's working. I just assembled the whole thing. One screw here, two screws holding the cork handle, two screws holding the cables, and two screws holding the plastic back. Oh, that's bad. I'll need to reassemble that part now. Okay, let's take a flathead screwdriver. This little spring, can you see this here? The little spring, whatever it went, it sits right here. Focus. Never mind. It sits right here. I will need two hands. It sits right here, and it's making like a little clicking sound, so it can work without it. Yeah, let me put this one right. I think I got it right this time. Can you hear it? That came from the spring, otherwise it's not gonna click, but it doesn't really matter. Let's plug it in the socket. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, there we go, it's clicking. Okay, I will fill it up with water and I will let it warm up and we'll see if it's making steam and everything is working okay. I'll give it a little wipe as well. Okay, so it's cleaned up now. Temperature is ready for use. The iron is working. It goes up to the temperature and gets really hot. The boiler is working, it's not leaking. I cleaned it up a little bit. There we go. And there is plenty of steam coming out. Yeah, that's how to fix the problem with the button. I was thinking that it might be the valve inside. If you watch my first video on repairing this, just go in my videos and you'll find that the button was good, but the valve was not. And not that hard repair, just need a multimeter and a soldering iron. I hope the video was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe if it was helpful to you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.